What is up, y'all? I'm out here biking and I found a herd full of deer. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 deers. See it a little closer, but not too close. Oh, there you go. Grab my bike, sorry. Go. Okay, I just did a baby phone call. But yeah, these guys are nice. Not doing anything, but it's probably just keep on going. Oh, there's a couple of them right there. They're running. Oh, not on the run. I hope you all enjoyed that. I just got off work at Culver's, and I'm just out here biking, and I just saw a whole herd of deer. They were just awesome. Oh, as you heard that sound, me doing that, that's a baby phone call. It's what I use to attract deer when I'm out hunting. But yeah, it works when I look at deer too. So yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream tonight. Don't you worry, I've been a little bit busy with work. I did evening shifts, and on the weekend I was just relaxing. So, but don't worry, I'm gonna do a live stream tonight. All right, but hope you all enjoyed those deers. Hope you're gonna see more. All right, peace. What is up, guys? All right, so far we saw deer, and now I have found a regular geocache. This is my second one today. I'm just biking, doing a workout, but found 2 today. So yeah, let's see what's in this treasure. Put this phone right up here, like that. Okay, this is not a second. Okay, like that, perfect. Or that works too, I guess. All right, let's see what's in this jar here. Not a whole lot of stuff. I found a roll of duct tape. That's probably not worth anything. A cucaracha, stickers. A pencil sharpener, star pencil sharpener, and a pen. Sadly, I don't have anything to trade. So I'm just gonna put this stuff back. Gonna write my name in it, and live stream is tonight, y'all. Don't you worry about that. I've been a little bit busy with my evening shifts and other stuff. Don't worry. We're gonna do this good. I'm writing my YouTube channel name down. Hot Dog Games. Okay. Well, folks. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna upload this video when I get home, and it's a good one, I think. Hope you all enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna put this back where I found it, and I'm not gonna tell you where it is because that'll be cheating. Okay. Well, see you all tonight. Go Hot Dog Nation. Peace. What is up, guys? I just found a large geocache. Look at the size of this thing. It's big. So yeah, the reason I'm whispering, we gotta use stealth. So I'm gonna trade an item. Look at all the stuff in here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna there's supposed to be another way. This one looks pretty good. A lot of cool stuff in here. Take a look. didn't bring a pen with me. Oh, wait. Yes. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed that live stream. Thank you so much for subscribing Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. But just tell your friends, your teachers, your college professors, your family to look me up. Alright, go Hot Dog Nation. Peace. Look at that turkey. That's why I love being outside. Biking, running, hunting, fishing. You'll see a lot of cool, great stuff. He's right there. See that big bird right there? Oh yeah.